today for the Bitcoin price. And guys, we all knew that this day would be coming. The last 8 hours are actually ticking for Bitcoin. You're probably saying, Chris, you said this before. Well, I want to show you what I'm talking about here. Let me go here into the charts. And yes, I am talking about this chart here. And honestly, guys, the weekly candle is closing in not 8 hours, 7 hours at the time of recording. And why? Why is what is going to happen within the next 7 to 14 hours, let's say, is going to be detrimental for the next few weeks for Bitcoin? Let me talk about that. Once again, guys, I reminded you actually yesterday already on Bitcoin being trapped in the same fractal here every now and every time and time again, these falling wedges, which are usually determined to be breaking out towards the upside. And right now, Bitcoin is going into this apex here from this upper rising wedge, which of course right now we are having a crazy confluence here, a touch point of the downward sloping trend line, a touch point of the upward sloping trend line, and also Bitcoin coming close to the apex here of this falling wedge on the daily candles. So now the question is, when are we going to break out? Well, on the weekly candles, I can show you we just got a bounce. This bounce is not confirmed yet. Very important to mention. This bounce is not confirmed yet. What bounce am I talking about here? Let me actually readjust this here to the 21-week moving average. Just a second, dear ladies and gentlemen. Boom. Now there we are. You can see we just got a bounce here at the 21-week moving average. And this bounce is only confirmed if the week is closing. Today is Sunday. So the week in just a few hours has to close actually above this line. We have to close within this rising wedge. And if this is happening, chances are not too bad for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to actually be more bullish on the Bitcoin side and for Bitcoin actually to break out here towards the upside. Remember, the price target is actually 92,000. Actually, the technical target is 69,000, the top of the wedge, but the target here in accordance to this fractal is 92,000 US dollars. And this is not the only thing I want to talk about, because the most important thing for me right now, not only for Bitcoin, but specifically for the altcoins, is this chart. And this chart, dear ladies and gentlemen, is the total crypto market cap, where you can see also this cup and handle pattern here, or this ascending triangle, where Bitcoin brokered and is right now about or not Bitcoin, the total crypto market cap is right now to decide whether we are going to break out or not. And now the question is, which direction are we going to choose? This is what I want to talk about here. But just very, very quickly, big shout out to everyone who is following me over on Twitter. Not only that I got verified, I posted a video here where I was talking about me being a taxi driver 4 years ago, showing my new house and everything. This video is going viral, 662,000 views in just a day. I truly love you guys. I love your support. I appreciate your support. And I love to see how you like me to share part of my personal story. And you know the deal, guys. You are the reason for that. If you wouldn't be here, I would just talk in a camera and make disgusting thumbnails. Without you, I wouldn't be anything. So thank you so much for that. I just wanted to take a second out of my day and give you these words of appreciation. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your support. So what you can see here is that once this breakout is going to happen, and this breakout will happen, I'm not saying this breakout will happen within the next 8 hours, but within the next 8 hours, we can at least decide, are we going to get this bounce here from this trend line or not? But what I want to tell you is within this week, this breakout will happen, and this is 100%. I mean, no financial advice, but this breakout is going to happen, and I am telling you technically the likelihood is at least higher to break towards the upside than towards the downside. And this is one of the reasons why I'm having my trade open here. You can see it's like the profits are going away. $170,000 only in profits. It was almost at 2 million US dollars in profits, my Femex trade, but well, I am standing my ground here, obviously. As long as the trend is not changing, the trend is my friend until the end. And well, profits are profits, even though I paid a lot of funding fees on this trade already. I am keeping this one open because the trend is not changing yet. Midnight will be important, and I want to know from you right now, what do you think? Are we going to break out? Is the bull market over or not? I know that many people are saying that, but for me, the trend hasn't changed yet. Once again, when we are breaking below, closing a daily candle with volume support below the trend line, I am expecting a few thousand US dollar dump very, very very quickly for Bitcoin. As long as this is not happening, I remain bullish on Bitcoin. And this is why I'm having these trades still open. Of course, if you want to trade as well, you get less than a 10,000 US dollar bonus here down below. The Femex link alone already grants you like more than 4,000 US dollars in free bonuses. Actually, simple math, if you are using these bonuses, it's like $9,000. 30x, this is a 270,000 US dollar trade you are getting for free down below. Important is only that you are an experienced trader and that you are only trading if you are an experienced trader. Other than that, stay away from that. Actually, other than that, what you can do is click the Twitter link up on the top of my pinned comment, because if you click the Twitter link and you follow us at VLaunch and you go into the VLaunch Telegram group, you can actually get free tokens. No one wants your money. Just be an active community member. I think that's a fair deal. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.